Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Today is another video of hashtag pink for DJ King. We're just going to do a really quick one. It's more of a reveal because I already unbagged it because it was part of a different order. So I saved this for this special. So if you're interested in that, come on back. Alrighty, are y'all ready for it? This is really cool. So it's not all pink, but it does have bits and pieces of pink. It has these pink little tags here, and it's a Coach backpack. I just thought it was the cutest thing, and it had pink in it. It had the pink poppy flower. So this is a poppy backpack from Coach. Why I like this? Because look, it had the side drawstring. I have never seen that before. I talk about an innovative. It has a side drawstring. Really? I was like, wow. And then it opens up. It does have the zipper pocket here in the front. It has the pink lining here. Like I said, it had the jelly pink, a pink hard plastic, and the pink Coach tag there. And on the inside, it's also pink. Let's take out and show you what we have on the inside. So here is a pouch. This is not pink, but it's orange. It's kind of peachy pink. It's just like a makeup bag, a makeup case kind of thing. It still has the stickers on it. Let's see. It's an Estee Lauder makeup case is what it is. Estee Lauder. I thought it was kind of a neat. All right, let's see what's next. The next thing in here is definitely pink. This is a... I can't tell it's too small. It's too small. Can y'all see? It's too small what it is. If it's a brand, it's not a brand that, I'm aware of. Here is the inside. I got it because it was pink and I thought it would go great for pink. Oh, look. Oh, that's right. It has a place for your passports and yeah, that's right. I forgot. Let me see. Let's see. So here is that in Italian, and it has card slots here. You can put some card slots back here. You have some area over here in this section. Let's see what's back here. Oh, yeah, I can't read that. I can't read that, but if it doesn't come out good, then I'll insert a picture of that. Cool. And it has a snap here. Nice gold, pretty gold on the inside. So I just thought it'd be something kind of neat to have to go with for the hashtag pink for DJ King. To go with the poppy backpack that is not exactly all pink, but it has pink accents in it, and I thought it would be nice and interesting. So let me show you around the backpack. I don't think I got to really show you around the backpack. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Other side. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. It's got this handle here. It's got adjustable straps. They're not detachable. However, it has a zipper pocket here. I really showed y'all. And then on the side here, there's a pocket in here. And then there's another pocket over here. And then on the inside, you have a back slip pocket here. And then you have two pockets in the front here, right here. And so I think this might be, here's the Coach Creed right there. So I think this might be something I might be giving my granddaughter, because she likes one of my poppy bags that I got. And so I was thinking about maybe giving this to her and seeing if she'd like it just as an overnight bag to carry her pajamas in to go back and forth from Granny's house or something. Thought it'd be kind of cute. Alrighty, Bean Beauty. So for this part of the hashtag pink for DJ King, we have the poppy backpack, we have a pink wallet, and we have this as well. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for being here. And once again, I'm praying for all those people who the hashtag pink for DJ King reaches, and just know that you're in my thoughts and prayers throughout the whole year. Our family has been touched by cancer as well. My mom passed away from abdominal cancer, and my father-in-law passed away from lung cancer. So we know personally firsthand how it can affect the families. So know that my heart is there for you. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, love you. Bye-bye.